Hi, I'm Maya. I make videos about responsible design, conscious consumption, and sustainable lifestyle. And today I invite you for a vlog from Riga. Riga is a beautiful city. It's full of greenery. You have lots of parks and you can walk by the river. Also, you can see how some people can rent the boats or even paddle boards and see Riga through the canals. The architecture of Riga is beautiful. You can see Art Deco buildings. My advice is to look up because you can see lots of artistic facades. We went for exhibition of German Ermika in the Museum of Decorative Art and Design. And if you have opportunity to see this exhibition, I highly recommend. The whole museum is really interesting, so if you will be visiting Riga after this event, I still recommend to go to the Museum of Decorative Art and Design. Behind me you can see the statue that is placed in the center of Riga. The water in Riga, the tap water, is drinkable, so it's okay to fill up your reusable water bottle, which made me really happy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you have ever been to Riga, and if you have any recommendations, also leave them in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see you next time. Bye.